Two words of the day are, first one is bizarre.
Who plays Mr. Bean? And he said, I bet you wish you were. And there followed this bizarre conversation in which the more I tried to claim that I was the person.
Bizarre means unconventional, or unconventional means something which is not according to the rule book. Okay, so how can we make use of it in the sentence? He was laughed at for his bizarre choice of hats. He was laughed at for his bizarre choice of hats. यानी कि अतरंगी हैट उसने लगा रखी थी, इसलिए सब लोग उस पे हंस रहे थे. Now next one.
क्या तो आप मुझे सचमुच गोली मार के यहाँ से चले जाओ, या फिर जो द व्यू इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया देखिए आप. सुंदर तो है.
Very beautiful. I am chuffed. अब तुम्हारे लिए
Chuffed. Chuffed means very pleased or impressed. So I am chuffed to have won the reward. I am chuffed to have won the reward. Or I am chuffed by your behavior, hospitality. Right? Keep learning with Anchor. Bye.